An ice storm that hit Texas this week has wreaked havoc on the roads and caused widespread power outages. At least 8 people have died as a result of bad weather in the southern United States over the past few days. Since Monday, the storm has brought a mixture of freezing rain and sleet to the south and central U.S., spreading from Tennessee to Texas. More than 12 million people, including those in Dallas, are under an ice storm warning. Dozens of car accidents are reported on slippery roads due to bad weather. Dallas canceled classes on Wednesday due to dangerous road conditions. As of Wednesday morning, more than 270,000 people were without electricity. More than 700 flights were cancelled Thursday morning, in addition to 2,300 cancelled the day before, with Dallas and Austin airports hardest hit. Freezing rain and ice accumulation are expected throughout the region until Thursday. The National Weather Service said a prolonged and severe ice storm continues across much of the southern plains and into the Mid-South.